Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Quest 2 controllers is probably one of the most crucial components of your VR setup, directly impacting your immersion and interaction within virtual worlds. These controllers are your hands in VR, allowing you to grasp objects, navigate menus, and engage in a wide range of activities. Whether you're a seasoned VR enthusiast or just starting out, understanding the Quest 2 controllers is key to unlocking the full potential of your VR experience. Number 5. AMVR Touch Controller Grips for Oculus Quest 2. AMVR's design simplifies battery changes. This grip features an opening for easy access, letting you replace batteries with just one finger. The unique design enhances your overall VR experience. The leather hand strap provides a better grip, allowing you to relax your hands. This optimized structure increases strength and prevents damage. It's designed to make your gaming more comfortable. The handband uses an elastic ring and Velcro strap for easy size adjustment. It creates flexibility for a perfect fit. Whether you're playing action games or sports games, it will fit your hands. The grip strap adds no extra weight to the controller. This gives you a more natural gaming experience. The handbands and wrist straps prevent controller damage during intense VR action. The hand strap is made of high-graded PU leather. It feels elegant and substantive, providing a better touch. This ensures a premium feel during your VR sessions. Remember to remove the original controller grip cover before installing. The package does not include controllers or batteries. It comes with a 6-month manufacturer warranty and customer service. What we like. This controller grip features an opening battery cover, making battery swaps a breeze. The adjustable leather hand straps provide a secure and comfortable grip, allowing you to relax your hands during long gaming sessions. If you're looking for enhanced comfort and ease of use, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Designed with an adjustable leather knuckle strap, these grips allow you to relax your hands without losing hold of the controller, perfect for fast-paced games like Beat Saber or Blade and Sorcery. The standout feature is the custom battery door, which lets you change batteries without removing the grip entirely, a major time saver and a clever solution to a common VR hassle. The straps are more comfortable. The Kiwis had attached at the top with a metal ring that dug uncomfortably into the side of my hand, leaving a mark. Number 4. Joystick Replacement Kit for Oculus Quest 2 3. Is your Oculus Quest 2 or 3 controller joystick drifting? This replacement kit is the perfect solution. It includes everything you need to repair the worn-out analog joysticks. This kit features the 3rd-generation joystick, which is more durable and easier to install. The improved design reduces the need for frequent replacements, saving you time and money. The included thumbstick caps protect the joysticks from scratches and wear. They are made of high-quality silicone, ensuring a comfortable and safe gaming experience. The kit comes with all the necessary tools, including a T5 screwdriver, tweezers, and a pry tool. It's a complete package designed to make the repair process easier. The kit includes 2 replacement joysticks, thumbstick caps, and all the tools needed. Please note that the controllers themselves are not included. Professional installation is recommended. What we like. This kit offers replacement joysticks and a complete set of tools for easy repairs. The joysticks are the 3rd generation, sturdy and durable. If you're experiencing joystick drift or damage, this kit provides a cost-effective solution to get you back in a game. What people say. The controllers are very comfortable to hold. The tracking is very accurate. The battery life is pretty good. Number 3. AMVR VR G-Unstock Cover for Oculus Quest 2. This G-Unstock cover is designed for the Oculus Quest 2. It enhances your FPS gaming experience, making it more immersive and realistic. The weighted hard grips provide a solid and comfortable feel. It allows you to hold the controllers more steadily, improving your accuracy. This cover is specifically designed for MetaQuest 2 controllers. It fits perfectly, ensuring a secure and stable connection during gameplay. The anti-slip handle shell case provides a secure grip. It prevents the controllers from slipping, even during intense gaming sessions. With this cover, you'll feel a more immersive reality. It adds weight and balance, making the virtual experience more engaging and enjoyable. What we like. This VRG stock cover features weighted hard grips, enhancing your FPS gaming experience. The anti-slip handle ensures a secure hold, even during intense action. If you like immersive FPS games, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. They are easy to put on and remove and add just enough weight to the controllers. They are easy to install and take off. They are good quality. I admittedly have hit them on the wall or door a few times while playing, and they don't even have a scratch. Number 2. OLCLSS Joystick Replacement Kit for Oculus Quest 2 3. Is your Oculus Quest 2 or 3 controller joystick drifting? This replacement kit is the perfect solution. It includes everything you need to repair the worn-out analog sticks. This kit features the 3rd generation joystick, which is more durable. The internal spring and cable have been improved for better performance and easier installation. It will reduce the frequency of replacement. The included thumbstick caps protect the joysticks from damage. They are made of high-quality silicone, ensuring a safe and comfortable experience. These caps will extend the life of the joysticks. The kit comes with essential tools for easy repair. It includes a T5 screwdriver, tweezer, and pry tool. These tools make it easier to open the controller. The package includes 2 replacement joysticks, 4 thumbstick caps, a tweezer, a pry tool, and 2 T5 screwdrivers. Everything you need to get your controller back in action. Please note that the controllers are not included. What we like. This kit offers replacement joysticks and a complete set of tools for easy repairs. The joysticks are the 3rd generation, sturdy and durable. If you're experiencing joystick drift or damage, this kit provides a cost-effective solution to get you back in the game. What people say. This product fixes the stick drift. Everything fit well and they gave you all the tools you need. Left controller had very bad drift and this fixed it. Number 1. MetaQuest 2 Active Pack. This is the MetaQuest 2 Active Pack. It offers a comfortable and safe experience with its innovative design. You can enjoy your VR experience with peace of mind. Keep your controllers secure with wrist and adjustable knuckle straps. This helps protect both your system and the surrounding environment during intense action. These straps ensure the controllers stay firmly in your hands. The wipeable padded interfaces make it easy to clean after each use. You can quickly remove sweat and dirt, allowing you to jump right back into your next session. It's designed for quick and easy maintenance. Easily reconfigure your headset and controllers. The Active Pack allows for quick installation and removal, making it simple to switch between active experiences. This ensures a seamless transition. This Active Pack is engineered for use with official MetaQuest 2 hardware and accessories. Please note that the controllers are sold separately. It's designed to perfectly complement your existing setup. The Active Pack features MetaQuest materials, colors, and finish. It's designed to match the high standards of the MetaQuest brand. You can expect the same quality and attention to detail. What we like. This Active Pack includes a wipeable facial interface and wrist knuckle straps for comfort and safety. The easy installation allows for quick transitions between active experiences. If you are looking for a more comfortable and secure VR experience, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The hand straps are attached to a battery plate cover for the controllers. The face pad is very comfortable and has held up during many intense Beat Saber sessions. The hand straps are a plus as well. I'm sure I would have accidentally thrown the controllers across the room on more than one occasion if they hadn't been strapped to my hands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.